Hello, for today we're gonna do the viscosity race. The following materials that are in the table are 4 pieces of cone that label as A, B, C, D in a beaker with a clear drinking glass, a drinking straw, a tray, a timer, water, syrup, honey, and cooking oil. Procedure number 1. Before doing the activity, predict which liquid, water, syrup, honey, and cooking oil take the least amount of time to reach the tray. Which liquid will take the most amount of time? Water has a low viscosity, so water gonna be the fastest to reach the tray because it has a low viscosity. And in the most amount of time to reach the tray is the honey because it has a high viscosity because of its thickness. Procedure number 2. Place the cone as ABCD on the tray. No. The cone A, we're gonna do a water. Perform procedure number 4, a 3. Pour water on the top of the cone A. Record the time it takes for the water to reach the tray. Procedure number 4. Perform 3 times of each material. There's the timer. First test, 0.91. Second test. Second test, 1.01. Third test, 0.56. On to the next cone. Next following liquid is cooking oil. First test. First test is 1.06 seconds. Second test. Two seconds. 2.01. Third test. Four second. 4 seconds in 0.49. And to the next one. 0. First test is 1.10. Second test, 1.56. Third test, 1.22. On to the next one. Honey. As you can see, the honey takes it long to reach the tray, the bottom of the tray. So, because it has a high viscosity of its thickness. First step is 3 minutes with 4 seconds and 0.76.
Okay lang yung marami. Ayaw ko ba?
Second time is 1 minute, 29 seconds and 0.22. Second time, 1 minute, 3 seconds, and 0.32. Now, let's move on to the guide question. Is your prediction correct? Prediction of that I choose is water that has a least amount of time and honey that took a lot of time. And yes, it is correct. Question number 3 and number 2. Which liquid is the most viscous? How do you know? Honey has a is a viscous because it's how thick it is and have a high viscosity. So honey is the most viscous. Which liquid is the least viscous? Viscous? It is the water because it's the fastest to reach the tray. Explain viscosity in your own words. Viscosity depends on the thickness of the liquid or in resistance and the giving rate. When like honey, it has a high viscosity because of its thickness that is slow to reach the tray. when it is have a least viscosity, it takes a least amount of time to reach the tray. To the next question. Compare how these liquids flow with how you think lava flows. Why do you think some types of lava travel faster than others? The lava flows depends on how much the lava has, or the amount of lava has, and the thickness it has. When high viscosity lava has a lot lava coming through the ground, it's move faster, a little faster, because it has a lot of lava. When the lava flows when a small amount of lava flows and has a high viscosity, it travels slow, like when on the cone number D, a cone D. When the first time I put a least amount of honey, and the travel time is 3 minutes because it has a least amount of honey put in it. And the third time is 1 minute and 7 seconds, 0.32, because I put a lot of honey and it travels to the same direction as the second time is. Now, procedure number 6. Put 100 ml on clear glass. Put in this. Using a drinking straw, blow some air from the bottom of the liquid and absorb. Procedure number 8. Repeat procedure number 7 by blowing harder on the liquid. Observe. Wide guide question. Compare the movement of the liquid as the bubbles move on the surface. Compare the movement of the liquid as the bubble move on the surface. Nothing.